Hey girl gang, welcome back to my channel. CoverGirl sent me over some new products that just launched, and I'm going to show you how I got this easy, glowy, no makeup look. Before we dive into the makeup though, I want to announce that I'm doing a huge giveaway on here and on my Instagram with Yord watches. I love my watch so much, and I'm so happy that Yord is letting me give one of you a chance to experience one of their watches for yourself. All you have to do is check out the link in the description box, fill in your information, and you could win this all natural customized wood watch that comes in this very aesthetically pleasing wood jewelry box. All of their watches on their site is so unique. Make sure you check them out. I'm obsessed with their watches. Starting off, I have the new Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. I'm using the one in the color Sunkissed. This is actually a lightweight moisturizer with vitamin E, B3, and B5. It's sensitive skin friendly, and it has light reflecting pigments that's supposed to give you naturally luminous skin. Once it's all worked in, I'm going in with the Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation in the color 775. It's lightweight, full coverage, has SPF 20, oil-free, and it's super hydrating. I was so shocked at how gorgeous the finish was. It literally looks like skin. And I didn't break out, which was another shock for me. My skin is very bougie. I think I found my everyday foundation, y'all. Next is concealer. I don't see any color names, so I'm going to just say I'm using the darkest one. I was so nervous because drugstore concealers in the past either never had my shade or they made me look so ashy. This concealer is super creamy and it blends so easy. It gave me the perfect highlight under my eyes that didn't crease up, and it literally looked like I had nothing on. I see you, CoverGirl. Look at how easy and gorgeous this concealer blends out. Now I'm going to bring dimension back into my face with the True Blend Contour Palette. Y'all already know I like to drag my concealer into my crease. This ties everything together for me. Then I'm going to use this creamy bronzer. I have combination to dry skin, so the best products for me are always creams when it comes to a natural look or a no makeup look in this case. I love a dewy finish, and this bronzer brings the warmth that I want and a little shimmer into my life. Now it's time to add some glow. I have two of the new Vitalist Healthy Glow highlighters, and I'm using the color 4 because I love a bronze or a gold glow. Everything just looks like skin, and it looks so beautiful in person. Now I'm going in with the Jewels palette. You all know I like to accentuate my eyes, so I'm using this champagne color on my bottom lash. Now I'm lining my lips with a brown liner to get ready for the Vitalist Elixir Lip Oil. I'm using the red one, and it gives off a very soft color with a huge shine, and I love a glossy lip. To put my makeup on lockdown, I'm using the new Look Lock Up All Day Setting Mist. And this is the final look. If you like this video, thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!